Alright, what up? So here's the next bowling alley. According to Google Maps, took me over here.
No, it's horrible because if you think about it, what if someone was like driving over here and like they have multiple people meeting up and it's like, oh, this is a new bowling alley, and then they go over here and then there's like, it's not a bowling alley, it doesn't even have a logo.
So, but Sun City is full of crazy rooftops, especially stuff that's from the 60s and 70s, and how hodgepodge it becomes over the years from remodels and whatnot. And this place is probably going to be no different. So, I do see a bunch of solar panels, so that's pretty interesting. Looks like it's pretty fixed up that manner. Yeah. And then the building next to it to the right said arts and crafts, which, you know, don't doubt them having that here, but it does not have any sign out here about it being bowling anymore, unless it's very undercover. Maybe it still is. Let's go ahead and check it out. But it looks like, thought there'd be some rooftop units, but it looks like they probably have a couple large units, and then they ducted it out up on the roof with round ductwork. Oh wow, I hope that stuff's insulated very well. Someone's got foam on it. Oh, there's a look at these duct drops. Oh, there's some cooling towers. Swimming pool. It's all going to be elderly people. Someone's actually got, let's see, those two cooling towers are not running. They got, oh, a nice big unit running down here. So that one, let's see if we can find where the fresh air is. Now I think I see a fresh air back there on the left. So the left is the return and the right is the supply. Is that a train? It looks like train style top there. I don't think it's in telepack or anything like that, but that maybe be a train. You know, it's chilled water. So I'll probably zoom in. I don't want to go too close. These birds also are very aggressive around here, so don't want to have it go down over here. Could be. I don't think it says McCoy or anything like that, but we'll zoom in during the edit. Figure out what it is. So that's a return. That makes sense. And it's got a bunch of pull and return from all over the building, which that's good. And then supply is this white one over here. Wow, what a labyrinth. And then it looks like they have another large unit over there, so they have two of them. Chilled water, so there's got to be a chiller for this building. So this bowling alley, if it's still bowling alley, has chilled water. And yeah, the chiller plant's obviously right there. And the boilers, if they have boilers, are in there. I don't see flues, just see exhaust fans. Huh. So that's pretty interesting. Bunch of solar panels, so probably works really good, except that, you know, there's probably some heat gain, but we got enough capacity, I guess it can overcome a little bit. Exposed duct in the sun is always very choice. Speaking of choice, that swimming pool, of course, it's probably made for exercise for people. It's pretty, never seen a pattern like that before. It looks like they walk around with their floaties, and an interesting pattern over there. Couldn't help but to notice that. And then they actually have the Olympic style pool back there for the people a little more with the abilities to do so. Let's see, got there's some low temp stuff or whatever there. Train president units all over. More of them over here. A lot of exposed ductwork. Oh, that square duct is obviously, you know, typically insulated on the inside. And more over here. And if it's insulated on the inside of the metal and then they add foam on the outside, the ductwork can do quite well. Actually could be, you know, almost better than the attic, if the attic only has insulation below. A lot of solar panels back there. Pretty good setup, actually. We got a lot of tennis. This is one of the main activity areas, it looks like. Oh, they have their own little goofy golf back here. Besides several full golf courses, you know, just for the senior citizens, they have their own nice goofy golf course out here. That is nice. Nobody's out there. Too hot now. It's probably 90 degrees. They like train out here. Train Voyagers. Red roof. That's always like that's like a lot of times a pattern of bowling alleys, but that's not it. Precedence back there. Huh. All right. So that, until we go to the next one, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Catch y'all later.